India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. All are my country, and I am for the feast, rich and the heritage. I shall always strive to be what I have it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates, and all others, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I am pledge my devotion. India well-being, quality alone lies my
உண்டு இந்தியர் வெல்பீயிங்
India well-being, quality
and
and quality alone
prosperity
prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.